Hey, this is Greg at Underground Graphics. We've got an install today. We're going to be putting our retro 3-bar stripe on this big bend. This is going to be our black gradient. I think they're going to be doing some gunmetal wheels, so I thought this would be a good vehicle to go with this color kit. What we've got here is our keyless entry pad. I know you've seen on the groups and the forums this relocated to the gas door, so I wanted to show you a quick how-to real quick if you wanted to do that on your own. In most cases, when you're debadge or pull off emblems, you're going to want to use fishing line. As well, if it's a new vehicle, they typically come off really easily. Even the big bend badges here, or your Scots, the stock badges, those really you just need to start to pick, warm it just a little bit, pull off. If you use the fishing line, you're going to destroy the adhesive. If you can get it off clean, put that on some wax paper, you can reuse those. So same thing here. If we use the fishing line, it'll likely tear up the adhesive. This is a brand new vehicle, so really it just takes a light pry with this. You can use a little bit of heat. We've already done this on a handful of them and they do come off really easy. But again, over here I wanted to show you, if you do want to do it with the fishing line, you're going to want some heavy weight. Obviously if you put these around your fingers and you start pulling hard on it, you're going to cut your skin. You can use a little trick, use 2 screwdrivers, something to kind of give you some leverage. Additionally, again, you're going to have to take off the old adhesive, put on some fresh 3M double-sided foam tape. And again, I would put some masking tape around that area if you're going to do that method, just so you don't damage the paint around that. Again, these do come off pretty easily. As well, alcohol water mix, that's our own mix of our quick detail. But anyway, I'm going to do this for you real quick and you'll see just how easy this is. All right, so this top piece actually, it's got some clips on the back that comes right off. We're going to set that aside, and you can almost see from the side where, now that that's off, you can see where it's 2 squares of adhesive on the back. And if it feels like it's not giving, then go ahead and go to the fishing line. I can feel that coming up just a little bit. And again, you don't want to pry into the paint, so just real slow. And look, there it went. Came off clean, no residue. This is still reusable because it didn't damage that. We're going to come right back and spray the inside. Again, spray your cloth inside of that gas cap right at the top on the inside. You'll see where this closes right in, and it's going to clear this whole area. This is such a cool thing. I'm going to go ahead and pop this back in so we know where this is going to go. And essentially, about as low as you can get it there, you want to hit that little leg right here and just push in and give that a good. The good thing is if this does, for some reason, fall off, which it shouldn't, it'll fall off in here. And again, if you want to put new tape on there, you can. Like I said, our experiences is on these fresh vehicles and they're new, that tape is still really good. So that's not going to come off unless you yank on it. All done, now it's hidden. Anyway, another quick video for y'all. Be sure and watch this. Finish this one up. We'll have some photos up soon, and see you next time. Thank you.